Diversity 2, today's project, removing your hood, this 1998 Ford Explorer. Show you how to take out these 4 little bolts and take your hood off. So it'll be easier to work with once you get it off. If it's damaged in any way, you may have a dent or something, or you may want to repaint it or resurface it. Sometimes the sun damaged the clear coat, sometimes the top coat. And take the hood off to be able to work with it more better. So this is how to remove the hood. It has about 4 bolts. Unscrew them and simply just lift it off. So stand by. Diversity 2, removing your hood on this 1998 Ford Explorer. Stand by. Okay, removing this hood on this 1998 Ford Explorer, we have 2 small bolts. It's the same size bolts that was on the side panel. 2 here on the hinge. And same thing on the other side. Let's tack 2 bolts here. Take my small socket wrench and loosen these bolts. One at a time. Don't fall on me. Okay, I've got the top bolt out. I guess it's ready to come down already. Let's balance this out some way. Put this here. Balance this out. What am I going to do with this thing? Find somewhere to center this hood. Alright, that's ready to bend. I'll do the best I can here. Take the other bolts out on the other side. Little hood holders here are no longer working. I forgot the name of these. Pretty much going to take the bolts out. It's also good if you want to paint your hood. Just take the whole thing off, sand it down, and paint it. Depending out of the vehicle. And this thing's starting to bend on me. Okay, I kind of got this out. Got 2 bolts out, and the 2 bottom bolts pull out. Kind of noisy out today. Okay, I got 1 more bolt to go. My hand lays down. This head wants to stay up. So there you have it. I have my hood off. hood is off. That's my the hood is off here. Have it right here. It's very lightweight. So if you need to do any sanding work on it, just pretty much take it off. And you can work with it that way. Lay it on some side horses and work with it. Removing the hood. Reverse 52. Let's put it back just in reverse with no problem. That was a real simple project. Like I said, with just 4 screws, easy to do. The hood gets damaged. You can do this. Take those screws off, be safe, lift it up, take it off, work with it, fix it, put it back, keep rolling. Diversity 2. Thanks for watching.